Hey guys, my name is Maddie, and today I'm bringing you another episode of AFI DIYs. Whether you're new here or you've tuned in before, we're so happy to have you. Today we'll be making an institutional foamy all-purpose cleaner concentrate. This ultra-concentrated cleaner's neutral pH and foaming capabilities make it great for all kinds of surfaces and messes. Before we get started, let's take a look at what we'll need. For supplies, we'll need a large glass beaker, a glass stirring rod or whisk, rubber gloves and safety goggles, a measuring spoon, and a container for storing the product. To make about 18 ounces of product, you will need 25.8% or 6 ounces of deionized water, 0.6% or 0.1 ounces of sodium citrate, 26.2% or 4.2 ounces of Biosoft D40, 17.4% or 2.85 ounces of Steol CS460, 20% or 3.2 ounces of Bioturge PAS8S, 10% or 1.6 ounces of Stepazole MET10U, 1/4 teaspoon of preservative, 1/4 teaspoon of fragrance. For today's fragrance, we went with fresh orange. Wow, that smells really clean and super citrusy, and I think it'd pair great with just about any cleaning product. Alright, before we get started, safety first, so let's grab our gloves and goggles. And now we're ready to go. First, combine the deionized water and sodium citrate. Mix until the sodium citrate dissolves, and then add in Biosoft D40. Stir until combined. Next, very slowly mix Steol CS460. Stir and then add Bioturge PAS8S. Finally, add in Stepazole MET10U, followed by your fragrance and preservative, and mix well. Once homogeneous, transfer the mixture into your packaging of choice. And that's it, your all-purpose cleaner concentrate is done. To use, simply dilute 1 ounce of product with a gallon of water and spray onto lightly soiled surfaces. Let it sit for 1 to 5 minutes for maximum effectiveness and then wipe down with a clean cloth. This DIY only cost us right at $2 to make. It can be sold wholesale for $4 to $5 and retail for $8 to $10. We've also made another DIY dilutable cleaner for you. Definitely check that out if you're looking for more products like this one in our DIY playlist. Well, that's all I have for you guys today, and thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe down below to never miss an update from AFI. Until the next video, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!